Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best replacement beaters is probably one of the most essential accessories for your KitchenAid stand mixer. Over time, beaters can wear down, get damaged, or simply not perform as well as they used to. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of KitchenAid replacement beaters, exploring the different types available, and helping you choose the perfect set to elevate your baking and cooking game. Number 5. KitchenAid Tilt Head Mixer Flex Edge Beater. This is the perfect attachment for your KitchenAid Tilt Head stand mixer. It's designed to make your mixing tasks easier and more efficient, saving you time in the kitchen. The Flex Edge Beater features a non-stick coated metal construction with flexible silicone edges. This ensures thorough mixing, scraping the sides and bottom of your bowl, and reducing mixing time. Made with food-grade materials, this beater is safe and healthy for all your cooking needs. The silicone rim is designed to provide a better mixing experience. Cleaning up is a breeze. This beater is dishwasher safe, making it incredibly convenient for everyday use. Simply put it in the dishwasher after you're done. It's ideal for a variety of recipes, including cookie dough, frostings, and mashed potatoes. However, it is not suitable for hard dough. Make sure you don't use it in a dry bowl. This beater is compatible with 4.5 to 5 quart tilt head stand mixers. It fits models like K45, K45SS, and many more. Please note that it does not fit 5 QD bowl lift mixers. Your satisfaction is our priority. If you're not completely happy with it, please contact us through Amazon, and we'll resolve any issues to ensure a pleasant shopping experience. What we like. This beater features flexible silicone edges that ensure thorough mixing. It significantly reduces mixing time, saving you precious minutes in the kitchen. If you're looking for a convenient and efficient way to mix your ingredients, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Works like magic. Great quality and easy to clean. The flexible silicone edges truly hug the bowl, ensuring that all ingredients are incorporated evenly, resulting in a smoother, more consistent batter. The fit is absolutely perfect, and the functionality is outstanding. Number 4. KitchenAid K45WW Wire Whip. This is the KitchenAid K45WW Wire Whip. It's designed, engineered, and tested by KitchenAid. It's a great addition to your kitchen. This wire whip is designed by KitchenAid. It ensures the quality and performance you expect. You can trust it for all your mixing needs. This whip fits various tilt head stand mixer models. Please check your model number to ensure it fits. It's easy to use and install. This whip provides maximum volume for mixtures needing air. It's perfect for whipping cream or egg whites. It will help you achieve the perfect texture. Remember to hand wash this whip. This will help maintain its quality and ensure its longevity. Proper care is essential for its performance. What we like. This wire whip is designed by KitchenAid, ensuring quality and compatibility. It's specifically engineered to maximize volume, perfect for recipes that require a light and airy texture. If you love baking cakes or whipping cream, you'll find this accessory indispensable. What people say. Love this whisk. It fits perfectly and doesn't overly scrape the sides of the bowl. This is a replacement for the one I had with my mixer. It is made well and works with my KitchenAid mixer. Good quality, fits perfect, does the job. Original. Number 3. Gvode Flex Edge Beater for KitchenAid Mixer. This Flex Edge Beater is crafted from high-quality SUS 304 stainless steel. Unlike plastic alternatives, it ensures a healthier mixture without the worry of paint chipping or cracking. Designed to fit KitchenAid 4.5 to 5 quart tilt head stand mixers, this paddle attachment is compatible with various models. It's a versatile addition to your kitchen tools. Featuring a reinforced frame, this beater provides stable mixing in your 4.5 QT bowl. Its safety buckle and circular head design prevents shaking, extending its lifespan. This KitchenAid paddle accessory continuously scrapes and mixes ingredients, ensuring thorough results. It reduces mixing time by up to 50%, perfect for various recipes. This Flex Edge beater is easy to attach and use, and it's also top rack dishwasher safe. If you have any questions, customer service is available, and it comes with a 1-year service assurance. What we like. This flex edge beater is made of premium stainless steel, ensuring durability and a healthier mix. Its reinforced frame provides stability during mixing, and it can cut your mixing time in half. If you're looking for a long-lasting and efficient mixing solution, you should definitely consider this one. What people say. This has a real heft to it. It fits my mixer perfectly. Works better than the original attachment. Number 2. KitchenAid KHM2B Turbo Beater Accessory. Need a new set of beaters? These are perfect for replacing your old ones or having an extra set on hand. They're designed to make your mixing tasks easier. These stainless steel beaters are designed for easy cleaning. You can spend less time washing up and more time enjoying your creations. These beaters are designed to make mixing cookie dough a breeze. They'll help you achieve the perfect consistency every time. You'll love how easy it is to use. These turbo beaters are designed to fit KitchenAid hand mixers manufactured since September 1997. Make sure it's compatible with your mixer before use. For even easier cleanup, these beaters are dishwasher safe. Simply put them in the dishwasher after use. It's that simple. What we like. This turbo beater features self-cleaning stainless steel beaters, making cleanup a breeze. It's designed to easily mix cookie dough and other ingredients. If you're a fan of hand mixers and want an easy-to-clean and efficient beater, this is a great option. What people say. They fit well and work perfectly. They fit great. And seem more sturdy. They work just fine. Number 1. Tired of worn-out mixer attachments? This premium stainless steel paddle is the perfect replacement. It's designed to fit your KitchenAid bowl lift mixer, ensuring optimal performance. This paddle is compatible with various 5 and 6 quart KitchenAid bowl lift mixer models. Check the list to see if it fits your mixer. It's a versatile addition to your kitchen tools. Made from durable, rust-proof stainless steel, this paddle is built to last. Unlike coated attachments, it won't flake or chip. This ensures it will remain in good condition for a long time. The cross-shaped design ensures faster and more even mixing. It's perfect for a variety of recipes. This design helps to create the perfect mixture. This paddle is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. You can also easily hand wash it. This makes it a convenient tool for any baker or cook. Whether you're making cake batter, cookie dough, or pancake batter, this paddle is up to the task. It's a must-have accessory for any KitchenAid mixer owner. It will help you create your favorite treats. What we like. This flat beater is made of durable, rust-proof stainless steel, ensuring it will last for years. Its cross-shaped design mixes faster and more evenly, perfect for various recipes. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-clean beater for your bowl lift mixer, you should choose this one. What people say. Solid stainless steel, not corroding like the original one that came with our mixer machine. Very smooth and easy to clean. Nice quality replacement from my old enameled KA attachments, and these won't leave chips of enamel in my food. Easy to hook on, perfect fit when they send you the right one, easy to use, very strong, easy to clean, dishwasher safe. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.